Hi, my name is Nick Alcock, and I'm a criminal defense attorney. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about Gilbert City Court, some of the nuances of that court when it comes to their policies and procedures. One of the main things about Gilbert, which always gets my attention, is that if you have a plea for, say, a day in jail, and then you have fines, what Gilbert will do in many cases is they'll say, okay, you have 1 day in jail, but we're going to suspend 179 days of jail unless you pay those fines. If you pay the fines, that's fine. If you don't pay the fines, if you don't do what you're supposed to do, then we can send you to jail for basically 6 months. There are not too many jurisdictions that do that. The other issue with Gilbert, which I find interesting, is that they don't do a credit check on you. They actually make you go to a bank and get a document from a bank saying you tried to get a loan but you were denied. And they do that because they essentially don't want to put anybody on a payment plan unless they absolutely have to. So Gilbert is very, very interested in getting basically the money out of a criminal defendant who takes a deal. They want to make sure that they're paid in full. Gilbert is one of those jurisdictions where the judges are extremely fair. There's no question about that. But they do have a reputation for definitely not being lenient on criminal defendants, and same goes with the prosecutor's office. They are the type of office where you really do need to work a case up. You really do need to have a compelling reason to get a plea offer which is going to deviate from the norm or the guidelines. And it's a type of environment where a lawyer coming in, meeting with the prosecutor, shaking hands, they say, hey, come on, please, he's a good guy, give me a good deal. That probably isn't going to fly too much in Gilbert. You need to have somebody who's going to be able to litigate the case, file motions, and do what you need to do to make the prosecutor think, you know what, maybe we have a weak case, maybe we should make a plea offer and make this case go away. So if you have a case in Gilbert, you'd like to sit down with an attorney, talk about your case, we can walk through the process, look at your police reports, and give you an idea of what you're facing. My name's Nick Alcock. Our number is 602-989-5000, 602-989-5000, and thank you.